Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I will explain the CHIME Spot Me features, how it works, who's eligible, and how it's handled. Let's get started. First, what is the Spot Me? Spot Me is a fee-free overdraft features for eligible CHIME members who have activated either a CHIME Visa debit card or a secure Chime credit builder Visa credit card. It lets you spend more than you have in your account up to a preset limit when you are short on funds. Now let's talk eligibility. You must receive $200 or more in qualifying direct deposit to your Chime checking account each month. Your limit starts from $20 but can increase up to $200 or more based on your account history, deposit frequency, spending activity, and other factors. Spot Me. First, open the Chime apps and log in. Go to the card settings and enroll separate for each card you want to use with Spot Me, your debit card and your credit build card. Important details. Spot Me covers only card purchase, ATM withdrawal. It doesn't cover HES transfer, pay anyone transfer, or Chime checkbook payments. There are no overdraft fees, but you may still pay out of network ATM or retailer withdrawal fees. There are no overdraft fees, but you may still pay out of network ATM or retail withdrawal fees. Your Spot Me limit can change at any time, and Chime will notify you of updates. You now know what Spot Me in, how to qualify, and how to use it without paying overdraft fees. And that's it. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.